How to search travel ticket in Travelfika. So hey guys, on this video, I'll be teaching how to search your travel ticket in Travelfika. So to search a travel ticket for your bus, a bus ticket right here. So we're gonna teach you how to search a bus ticket in Travelfika, so you can book travel step by step. So here you can easily book your bus ticket by clicking on right next to tracking your bus. Press on the bus right there. After clicking on bus right there, click on from and to. For example, put in that there, Manila. Okay, how about put it, try New York. Is there one? Nope. I don't know what country this says bus. China. This is oh, there you go. Let's say that China. Two. There you go. And click on search. Hoping this like ticket. Oh, how about let's search or change our date. There you go. Go save the search. There's no there, but if you ever want to, you can just google it up, how the trains work right here, depending on your country or where. But yeah, that's how easy it is. After you do that, put in your information. After putting your information, all you need to do is put in your payment method. It could be credit card, debit card, or e-wallet. And after putting that, search, then after proceeding to payment, and then you're done, you get your ticket via email or the app itself. So there you go guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the question. Question, question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you guys.